If you notice the radiator fan is noisy on your car, then you'll need to replace this radiator resistor. I bought this from my local Vauxhall dealer for just under £20. It took a couple of days as it had to come from the factory in Germany. You'll find the resistor is located on the fan cowling just underneath the header tank. Once you've found it, unplug the wiring loom by lifting this clip quite far away, otherwise it won't come out. Got to lift it quite high and then it unplugs. Once you've done that, undo the 8mm bolt and remove the faulty resistor. You might not be able to see damage, but on this one it's clearly visible. Now take your replacement and put that back into the cowling. Be careful not to drop the 8mm bolt. And only tighten this up hand tight as it's screwed into the plastic cowling. Once you've done that, plug the wiring loom back in again, making sure that clip clicks down into place. And make sure you remove all your tools and any left behind parts, and you now have a nice quiet fan again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do my best to make some more.